Huge drones may soon be used to deliver life-saving medical supplies to patients stuck in remote or difficult to access areas. The Australian first testing is being done at a brand new research facility in Port Melbourne, opened by the Deputy Prime Minister today. Michael Scanlon has the details.
Well, this brand new building in Port Melbourne is a multi-million-dollar research facility for all things transport in Victoria. And there are some pretty amazing things taking place inside. Probably the major focus here is driverless cars and how they'll be safely integrated onto the state's roads.
We're at the beginning of the journey, and what the work that we will do over the next 5 to 10 years in this facility with this laboratory will enable the roads of Australia to be ready for a connected and automated future.
Deputy Prime Minister Michael McCormack toured the facility to mark the official opening today.
This $6 million facility in Port Melbourne is state-of-the-art, and it's going to help build better roads. It's going to help national road safety.
One of the many interesting things happening currently in a testing phase is the use of drones to cart in medical gear to dangerous or busy areas. One example would be if a patient has suffered a heart attack, the drone could drop a defibrillator to the scene.
We know that there's a 10% reduction in survival for every minute that your heart is stopped. So the quicker you can get a defibrillator to someone, be it by an ambulance or by a drone into the future, could end up saving lives.
It's hoped this time next year the drone will have clearance to fly to various scenes in Victoria.
Depending on the speed of the drone technology, really, but we're hoping we can get there within minutes.
But in terms of what's going on here on a day-to-day basis, drones and driverless cars are only just scratching the surface.